We have created a brand new high-performance desktop soldering iron for professional maintenance users. It breaks away from traditional design and adopts a 3-inch super large digital display. The desktop soldering iron uses numerous high-performance chips internally, which can accurately measure data. All-metal body, compact body, making the product more flexible to use. The desktop soldering iron adopts an all-metal integrated sleeping seat, which is simple, beautiful, and atmospheric. Built-in glass fuse provides the best protection for product use. The brand new desktop soldering iron makes your use smoother and more convenient.